निकल रहे हैं कोंकण रिविजिट कर। देखते हैं कैसे कैसे ये डिटोर होता है। वी ऑल आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स आवर जर्नी, सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस। बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ, चलिए। Finally crossed Pune and tea and snacks. The climate is very cool now, so we'll just go and have some tea. Chalo, let's go. Hi guys, so finally very tasty hai, tikki bhi hai, which is remaining, that is near about 250. Journey still which is remaining, it's near about 5 hours. ये सब खाने में भी काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है। So guys, this is the very amazing view. If you guys can see it, as the sun has come out. लेमन ज्यूस, लिंबू सरबत घेतो आहे थोडा जरा, लिंबू सोडा सांगितलं काय झालं, दूसरा एक है ना। Guys, reached Ganpatipule, myself and one for my family, for me and my wife। शाम को बीच और गणपतिपुले का दर्शन भी कर लेंगे। Okay, for our afternoon lunch, so what they have constructed, स्वाद सन वेज रेस्टोरेंट मेड होटल। The lunch what we had, it was quite Ganpatipule friends. We have many hotels, can come here and there are multiple online वगैरह कुछ भी बुक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। शायद से the camera may not be allowed inside the Ganpatipule beach. So as you can we can enjoy boat ride is there, then the so friends, this was Ganpat. The beach is quite neat and clean. As you can see, it is approaching, so I am eagerly waiting for sun to set down, although it took long because my father's quite clean and it's not dangerous. Tomorrow we would be heading towards another beach, that is Kunkeshwar, for you guys. So until next time, do stay tuned with me. This is Mandar. Don't forget to click the bell icon.